Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2009 Saturn Sky Redline maintenance light reset. We are going to use these two buttons over here, the info and the back button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Turn your key to the second ignition without your foot on the brake, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. And now go ahead and press the info. Keep clicking until you find the oil life. I already reset it, so it's 100%. You can do it you can do this again. When you get here, go ahead and press the two buttons at the same time and let go. Okay. Go ahead and press the back button and hold until you you see acknowledge. And there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.